Let's see four stocks for tomorrow's session, that is on 11th of June 2020. The first stock for tomorrow is Bata India. The reason why I have selected Bata India is that carefully pay attention to this cluster of candles. One thing is pretty evident is that for all this bearish candle, you can see a wick sticking out in top of it, which means that price started or was going up, but due to sellers dominating buyers, the price came down. And if you see the queue or rather cluster around it, it even more solidified our stance that Bata India is struggling to go up. And considering the current level, it is trading at its daily support level, and the next demand level I can see is around 1355, and the current market price at the end of today's session is 1381. So in tomorrow's session, if all goes well and if we see some momentum in Bata India on downside, I expect the stock to at least reach this demand candle or demand level of 1355. So look to sell Bata India in tomorrow's session. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Mahanagar Gas. Mahanagar Gas was part of my intraday pick for Tuesday's session. If you see the price movement from Tuesday and today as well, you can see there are two bearish candle. One bearish candle has wicks sticking out in the upper direction, which shows rejection of higher prices, and the other one, that is for today's session, you can clearly see that the small bearish candle with no wick sticking out, and the volumes is pretty sufficient. So if I talk about tomorrow's session, it's a clear cut sale call in Mahanagar Gas. The next demand or resistance or rather support I can find in daily chart is around 969 rather, and the current market price is 984. So we have substantial points that we can capture in tomorrow's session. So look to be bearish in Mahanagar Gas in tomorrow's session. Next stock for tomorrow's session is Alembic Pharma. If you see the daily chart of the stock, you can clearly see that the stock was starting to recede in prices, but in today's session it made a sizable bullish candle. There are no wicks sticking out in either direction. Talking about the levels for tomorrow's session, I can see a small support at around 877, and the current market price is 862. So we can cash 12 to 14 point in tomorrow's session on upside. I don't think so stock should have any problem breaching the level of 877 if it catches fire in upside. The main support level right over here, you can see this top candles, it is around 911. I do expect stock to breach this level in tomorrow's session. It is a highly likely scenario, so be ready to catch more than 25 points in Alembic Pharma in tomorrow's session. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Aurobindo Pharma, and you are right, it's a stock from pharma sector. You can clearly see this upward movement in the stock in daily chart. The stock is slowly making higher highs, denoted by more bullish candles than bearish candles. The volumes on the bullish candles are far stronger than compatriot bearish candles. I cannot see any resistance in daily chart. So if I access the weekly chart of the stock, you can see that there is a strong support level in this particular region over here. I will point out the levels. The levels is right over here, and it is around 838, and the current market price is 799. So if you look at the trading psychology, and if you consider 800 as a psychological and round number, and if you consider all this possibility of Aurobindo Pharma making higher highs in daily chart, and there is no nearby resistance level, and weekly chart we can find a resistance level on the upper side. So all these factors solidifies our stance on Aurobindo Pharma that it is going to go higher and higher, and at the most the high it can make is 838, and the market price at the end of today's session is 800. So consider buying Aurobindo Pharma above 800 levels. So if you want to know exact levels in all these four underlying stock, you can follow my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for